everyone, welcome back. This is Valerie, my diamond addiction. I have another unboxing to do. This one is also from the sale, was ordered on August 29th. They got here 5 or 6 days ago, I guess, so just shy of a month. There are 8 paintings in here. Altogether, they came to $27.31 for all 8 of them. Some of these are really super small, and it's just because I have one of them Taylor wanted, and a couple of them I have a really small section in my kitchen that I want to put them. I'm hoping they turn out okay because they're pretty small, but let's go ahead and try to figure out how to open this thing. That was effective. When the bag is this full, I'm a little hesitant to use scissors, but all right. I think it was Everything Gwenny that ordered a couple of these and got me looking at some of the stuff that this store had. So let's start with this little bitty one right here. This is a 15 by 15 full round. All of these were ordered from DiyPaly, P-A-L-Y store on AliExpress. Oh gosh, yep, that's really small. That is Bambi and Thumper, I believe. Yep, Bambi and Thumper. So it's really small. This is the one that Taylor wanted. Here's the picture of it, if I can get it to focus on that. Maybe, maybe not. Not so much. I'll try to remember to insert a picture of that. It is, it's 15 colors. And it is a full round. This says 20 by 20, but on the website it said 15 by 15, so this is probably 20, this is probably 15. And this is the cute little bag of diamonds that goes with it. Some cute colors in there though. What? No inventory sheet with a painting this big? Just kidding. Normal boat, normal pen, normal wax, normal. That one was only like $1.88. And Taylor's been on a Bambi kick lately, so she wanted that one. Alright, let's see what's in this one. Nope, let's don't, because there it is. I can open it, never mind. This one, this canvas is really sparkly. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of pretty. It also goes this way. I like that I can tell what it is in the viewfinder. That I like. So it's a cup of, I don't know, let's call it cappuccino maybe, with the heart in it and some beans around it. Cup on a saucer. This is one of the ones I was talking about. I have a small area in my kitchen for. This one is 16 colors. It does have the DMC codes on the bags of gems. Same kit. Normal. Oh, there's the other normal. And the gems are done like this. It's a full round. It says 13 by 20. So that one's going to be pretty and fast. I like it. Next, oh, that one was $2.50, and then subtract however many coupons I had to stack on that. I had a lot of them during that sale. This one, get off. Is also very small. And it's the other one that will go in my kitchen. It is just a cup of coffee or cappuccino or whatever you want to call it, with a couple cinnamon sticks and then beans around it and a bag that holds the beans. Again, I can tell quite a bit of that just by the canvas. This is also a full round. There's the picture. 16 colors. Look, they're trying to put a diamond in there for me. No, just kidding. I have... That's weird. That's a crystal gem. And I lost it. It's gone. There it is. I'll put it over there. These are not crystals. These are normal gems. Normal diamonds. And they do have the DMC codes on them. Obviously just different kinds of tans, browns, grays. Normal, normal. I'm trying to do this fast because there's 8 of them. So especially with these small ones, I'm doing them a little bit faster. I'll do inventory and stuff, you know, later. Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. This one is another one of these, the same as I got from Poster LOL. With the orchids and then the rocks stacked up. This one was $1.88, and it is a 15 by 15 full round. Normal, normal. Again, DMC codes are on the bags. And it has lots of pretty little colors in it. 13 colors. Now I've got 2. I will probably give one to Sky and one to Taylor, and we will do a diamond painting afternoon and sit at the table, and I will help them diamond paint because they want to try it. Okay, let's see what this one is. This is the one, and I'm almost positive it was Gwen from Everything Gwenny. Normal, normal. That did this one. This one is a crystal kit. 16 colors. Look at the eyes on that gorgeous thing. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh my gosh. And these ones we'll look through. Why? Because they're crystals. And it's my video, and I said we can. If you don't want to, just fast forward it. Oh, some of these are... Well, just one that I can see of so far is oily. Sorry, I'll show you in just a second. I just have to get a close-up view. Oh, not bad. This one right here is the oily one. It's kind of gross. Okay, what is my camera focusing on? Everything but this. So let's try to move everything. There's that one, which is a blue color, and then a pink color, and just a normal black. Look at that blue. Yes, blue, and more blue, and what? A really light orange color, a darker orange color, a more red color right here. I don't even know if you can see that. A whole bunch of pretties. There's more. These ones are just, they look clear. And these ones are like a dark gray looking color. These ones are a really light blue, I guess. These ones are clearish and oily. Pretty, 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 pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous. Love it. I might be slightly addicted to crystal kits. It's true. I'll admit it. Okay, that one was $5.78. And then subtract whatever coupons I had. If I look on my computer, it'll let me kind of figure it out because it shows me. But if I look on my phone, it doesn't show me so much. Let's see what this one is. Oh. Yay. This one is for my son. Although it looks kind of interesting. It is a race car. Fast car, whatever you want to call it. I think it says race car on it. It is only 6 colors, a lot of which looks like it's black. But he likes fast cars, so I thought he would enjoy that. And this one is a full round with a normal kit. And oh, this one does not have DMC codes with it. But that's the color of the car right there. Look how gorgeous. Yep, he's gonna love it. Maybe not so much looking at the thumbnail because it doesn't look as good as the picture. This one was $5.58. 6 colors. Oh, and it was 40 by 30. And the next one. There's only one more after this one. Just one. Oh. Come on out of there. Oh, they left that one way down there. Almost was lost for a minute. This one, I believe, was supposed to be a crystal kit. But it's not a crystal kit. It's not a crystal kit at all. See, I had full round crystals. So I don't know what's up with that. I'll have to go look at that again because I thought they were supposed to be crystals. Anyway, this one goes like this. I love flowers, especially roses and carnations. So this one is 12 colors, 30 by 40, And it was $5.71 minus any additional coupons that I had. And look at those colors. Nope, you can't really see it. Sorry, opening it. Sorry, not sorry. Look. How gorgeous. Don't you think that's going to be amazing? I think it's going to be amazing. Normal, normal. And I would show you the thumbnail, but it doesn't have one. But I think you can kind of see what that is. The drill field is, yep, almost impossible to see in this lighting with plastic on. But it's really clear. Not that I looked at the drill field on any other one, but I'm looking at them now. They all look really good. And the last one. Are you ready for the last one? Apparently I'm not, because I can't open it. This one is supposed to be 30 by 37. And it's the deer. Deer. Sorry. The deer. The way I said that just made me laugh. Normal. Same. And it's more crystals. The crystal deer. Isn't he awesome? Okay. Promise, I'm almost done. Oh, and these came in little separate bags. Uh-oh. And one of them's open, which is probably where that crystal in the other... Nope, I don't know. So we got some blues and some purples and lighter blues and pink. It looked kind of purple when I held it up there. And this is a gorgeous color. I love that color. And then a deep dark blue, that's gorgeous too. It's almost a purple blue. And a really dark blue. And orange. And I think this might be the one that's open. Nope. It may have been the orange. It's this one. Okay, I'll pick all that up after I'm done filming, I suppose. Oh, nope, that one's clear. I don't know. Yellowish green. A darker orange. A red. A really light peach. A light pink. And an orange red. More red than orange. Okay. So now that I've got crystals all over the place, that is the deer. And that one was $4.79 minus whatever coupons I had. Like I said, altogether the total order was $27.31 for all 8 pictures. That is an amazing price for 8 pictures, 8 diamond paintings. I am happy. It is a good night. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell if you want to be notified. Ring the bell. Click the little bell if you want to be notified when I upload something. I appreciate you all watching. Thank you to all of my subscribers. I will be putting together a giveaway real soon. I had some videos that I wanted to get filmed as I'm organizing my craft room so that I could get these ones filed and put away. So I thank you all for watching, and I will talk to you in the next one. Have a good night. Bye.